A very warm welcome, students. You must have seen advertisements all around you, but do you know how to draft them? This is exactly what we are going to learn in this video. Let's start now. What is an advertisement? It is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, and cinema. And you must have already seen and read advertisements in all of the above mentioned mediums. It is used to influence the minds, tastes, and even motives of the masses. You yourselves must have often been influenced by the advertisements and bought certain products. It is the most potent tool for publicizing and promoting sales of goods and services. And it is used to make people aware of new deals and offers. When a company launches a new product or offers any discount, it publicizes it through advertisements. How else would you know which new phone is going to be launched or when a certain company is starting its end of the season sale? Qualities of a good advertisement. It should attract immediate attention of the people. There are scores of advertisements everywhere, but only a few catch your attention. It should give publicity to goods or services, which is the whole purpose of an advertisement. It should be catchy enough to attract the reader. It should stick to the reader's mind. It should be stimulating. You must feel like buying the product after reading the ad. And it should give relevant information. Since advertisements carry 4 marks, you shouldn't spend more than 4 or 5 minutes drafting it. Hence, only relevant information must be given. There are 2 types of advertisements: commercial or display advertisements and classified advertisements. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draft commercial or display advertisements. What are commercial or display advertisements? Advertisements put in by leading manufacturers, establishments, organizations, etc. for publicity and promotion of their products, services, or some events are called commercial or display advertisements. They are the same ads, the colorful, catchy ones that you see in newspapers, magazines, and hoardings, etc. Okay, so if you or I have to buy or sell anything, we would not give a display ad in the newspaper. We will give a classified ad. But if a company or organization is advertising something, it will give a commercial ad. So that's the difference. Points to remember while drafting a commercial or display advertisement: name of the company, institute, or organizers, etc. should be there. Details regarding the product or event or educational course, etc. should find a place in the advertisement. Special offers or discounts, if any, they should also be mentioned in the advertisement. Address of the company or institute or organizers, etc. should also be there. Proportionate spacing should be done as it is done in posters. Letters of different shapes and sizes may be used to make it more attractive. Now let's see some of the display ads. See, they have clearly mentioned here the discount that they are giving 50% off sale. Then they have also mentioned another offer, free consultation. The name of the company, Try Megatech, is also given, and they have also mentioned the contact details of the company. They have mentioned the services that they are offering. We offer technology solutions and support for home users, home offices, and small mid-sized businesses. Let's see another one. Squeaky Clean Services. That's the name of the company. Then they have mentioned the services that they are giving. that they specialize in interior and exterior windows, commercial building cleaning, mirror cleaning and polishing, and they have given their contact info. Another advertisement, here also the contact details are given, name of the company is given, and the services provided by them are also mentioned. So this is how you draft a display advertisement. Thank you.